Hello students, welcome to today's maths class. In today's class, we'll be looking at subtraction of large numbers without borrowing. Alright, let's take a look at some examples of some large numbers and see how we can subtract them. For our first example, we have 85,432 take away or minus 23,211. So the first thing you need to do is arrange them in columns. So in the first column we have, in the first set of number we have 85432 minus or take away 23211. Okay, so to subtract we start from the first column at the right. Okay, in the first column from the right we have 2 minus 1, which is 1. To the second column we have 3 minus 1, which is 2. Then here we have 4 minus 2, which is 2, 5 minus 3, which is 2, and 8 minus 2, which is 6. So this is our answer. So we have 62,221. So let's take a look at our second example. So we have 96,754 minus 54,321. So let's subtract this. So from the first column from the right, we have 4 minus 1, which is 3, 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 3, 4, 6 minus 4, 2, 9 minus 5, that would give us 4. So this is our answer. Okay, so let's take the last example. So in this question we have 278,965 minus 12,543. So let's arrange. So we have 278,965 minus 12,543. So I have a space here, so I'll put a 0 here. So anytime you are subtracting, you notice that there's a space, you just put a 0 there to balance the numbers. So from this place we have 5 minus 3, that is 2, 6 minus 4, that should give us 2, 9 minus 5 should give us 4, 8 minus 2 should give us 6, 7 minus 1 should give us 6, and 2 minus 0, that would give us 2. So this is our answer. Alright students, so there you have it. To show how much you've understood or you like to practice on this topic, I would like you to look at these questions and give it a shot. And please ensure you subscribe to our channel and also put on the notification bell so you will get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.